What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video back on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to I'm scared he's gonna. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to script a block to kill you. First, let me put a spawn pad and put it all the way here. So what you want to do is go to your home area. If it's like that, click that, and then right click any areas, and then click explore, and then you should have this explorer open, which I'm going to delete all of this. Oh, what the why is my camera in chat? Okay, whatever. But once you got your explorer open, click the arrow on material, and then you should see neon, and then make the color red, and then place a part. So when you get a part, click rename it to kill block, and then add a script, and then rename it kill script, and then what you want to write is function on touched and part, and then local h equals par dot parent for this find first child this, and where's it? This humanoid. That's not what I do, but you know what I mean. And then if h and then this thingy equals nil, then thingy h dot health equals 0. And then down here, you want to write script dot parent dot touched connect on touched. Then close that, and I'm gonna open my toolbox, and I'm gonna search up Roblox and get their Roblox and get their spawn pad checkpoint. So I'm gonna add some stuff here. Make the color lime. And let me delete this and then do that. And then Control D to do that and this. And then we could add the spawn pad here now. For the checkpoint here. This is the checkpoint right here. It's a checkpoint. Let's do it. Lime 2. Scale it up. Bring it a bit forward. There we go. And now we're gonna just add another part. Or let me just Sorry if you guys hear my fans. Yeah, they're super loud. So then bring this, scale it, and then click play, and then it will, yeah. And then that was my spawn point. Here's my checkpoint, which that actually works because it's from Roblox. These can move right. Oh my god, I forgot this. Sorry. Yeah, anchor them by pressing. Let me just anchor them. Where's the anchor? Where's the anchor? Can I anchor myself? Anchor. Can't move! Yeah, I'm unanchoring myself. Can I make another one of myself? Let me duplicate myself. Yo, I got myself. I got those in the bag. Copy and cut. Okay, so got that. And I got on the spawn right, and let me show you that it actually works. And now, see, it actually works. And then if we go on this part, it kills us. So that is how you make a kill thing in Roblox Studio. And that is how you do that in Roblox Studio. So bye guys, I have a great day. Bye.